I've got this small utility trailer. There's a previous video on me refurbishing this and making it, well, bring it to the condition that it's currently in. But I've used it for a while now, and one of the things that I'm missing out is some tie downs inside the bed of the trailer. So I reached out to a company called VEVOR. They sent me this E-Track system. So we're gonna get this thing opened up, take a look at it, and get it installed. This kit comes with the track itself, multiple tie downs. You've got the ring loops that click into the track system. It's got ring loops that are a little bit bigger, give you a little more tie down position. It also comes with straps that also click into the tie down system. And it comes with a couple of miscellaneous location tie down pockets. So these will get bolted in to the trailer, and that gives you a few extra locations that don't necessarily need to be lined up with the track. I have installed this type of system before, but overall, this kit specifically comes with a lot of extra stuff for a great price. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing bolted down and see what we think. For my specific application, you can see we're gonna do one in the middle, well, in the middle forward and aft. Give me tracks on both sides, and we're also gonna do one at the back and one at the front. Unfortunately, it's just slightly too long. So the opening I'm dealing with needs to be, well, less than 58.5. And these come in at 5 feet exactly. So I'm going to come off by 1 full pocket length. So if you don't have a portable bandsaw, you could use a lot of other tools. An angle grinder, jigsaw with a metal blade, or a sawzall with a metal blade. You could do it with a hacksaw if you absolutely needed to. A hacksaw would go through this no problem. We got the track cut down to the length we need, so let's go ahead and get this bolted down. Well, there you have it. Track installed. The whole installation probably took 20 minutes. Even if you had to cut the track with the hacksaw to make it fit in your application, 20 minutes is all it would take. In my case, I probably only needed 2 of these tracks, but the kit that I wanted had all these strapping and tie down points, which we'll throw in here and show you in a second. I used 6 bolts per track. This is steel, so it should hold up perfectly fine under the loads that I intend to use it for. It'll be mostly used for holding down, miscellaneous totes and containers and bed frames and things that I end up helping other people move around. Every once in a while we use this for yard debris, and traps will come up over the top and work just fine. The two straps that it comes with that are built in with the hooks are really nice, but it does come with all the other tie-down locations which you can use with traditional tie-downs. So let's go take a look at those real quick. It comes with 4 traditional straps with the little hook on top. All of this stuff works the exact same way. You lift up the little tiny lever on the back, slide it in, slide it forward, and drop the lever, and then it's nice and secure. Great options. It also comes with 4 traditional loops. Same thing. Lift the tab, slide it in, drop the tab, and you're secure. These are good when you're pulling at a different angle. VEVOR also sells, and this kit comes with, 2 heavy-duty tie-down tabs. These are good for 2,000 pounds. Now, I will tell you that what I use to hold the track down isn't good for 2,000 pounds, so these aren't really applicable for me, but they'll provide extra tie-down locations if necessary. But same principle, you lift up the tab, slide it in, slide it back, drop the tab, and it is nice and secure. So you get 4 of the traditional loops, 4 of the strap loops, and 2 of the 2,000 pound loops. You also get 2 complete strap sets. That's what the kit comes with, plus the 4 tracks. Great for a medium to small size trailer. Phenomenal system, gives you lots of versatility for tie down locations. Makes things a lot easier when you're trying to tie down things that aren't consistent in your inside of your trailer. Well, that's gonna wrap this up. Installation, super simple, about 25-30 minutes. You could do this with basic hand tools. You could do this with a screwdriver if you had to, and a hacksaw. In most applications, you wouldn't actually need to cut the track, so you wouldn't even need a hacksaw. Tracks are about 5 feet long. The install is super straightforward. I use 6 bolts in each one. I used self-tapping wood screws, 3/8 drive, socket used to drive those in with. It comes with 4 of the 5-foot tracks, 2 of the single tie-down location mounts, 4 of the standard rings, 2 of the heavy-duty rings, and 4 of the strap rings, and then 2 of the tie-downs themselves. Overall, it's a great kit for any medium to small size trailer. Check out the link in the description. Highly recommend this. Very easy to use. Very good upgrade for any small to medium trailer. Well, I hope you got something out. I hope you enjoyed. I'll definitely keep you updated as I use this and move forward with it. But overall, very pleased. Definitely recommend this so far. Till next time, thanks for watching.